With inflation the way it is today, whether it be fast food or your new roof, does it make sense now more than ever to take time and make sure you're making a good buying decision? I speak with building owners routinely, and what I hear is the following. They're disappointed that the roofs didn't last long enough. They're frustrated that they don't understand how to set up a preventive maintenance program on the roof. And they're concerned about safety, either for their employees that may need to go on the roof or because of safety incidents from contractors that they've worked with in the past. I actually find these things a little baffling. I've spent 46 years in the commercial roofing market. As I tell people all the time, there's three sides to the fence in roofing. First side is the design side. They're the people that design the roofs that go on your building. I spent 17 years of my career there. There's the construction side, the people that actually build the roofs. I've been on that side of the fence for 29 years. And the manufacturing side, the people that supply the materials that go on the roof. When I worked on the design side of the fence, what I found generally was that building owners are very happy with the selection of their design professional. And I was astounded when I came to the construction side that by and large, customers are unhappy. The question is why? And what I've discovered, having worked on both of those sides of the fence, is that there's a difference on how people buy professional design services as opposed to how they buy contracting. Let's take a look. So on the design side, there's typically a process that looks like this. A client will determine, number one, what their needs are. They develop a needs analysis. And then based upon what they want to accomplish, they will develop a request for qualifications, advertise that, or invite some design professionals. They'll get the submissions back from the design professionals, and then they'll review them and make a short list of what they perceive as the top 3 or 5 most qualified design professionals to do their work for them. They will then interview those design professionals. They'll force rank them, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the case may be, and make a selection of who they want to work with. They will then negotiate a fee with what they perceive to be the most qualified firm. If they can't reach an equitable arrangement, they'll go to the second most qualified company and the third. But there is a relationship between price and the value provided. Once they have an equitable arrangement, they will award it to the selected design professional at a fair price, and they go to work. I worked under that scenario, as I said, for 17 years, and every project worked out well. When I came to the construction side of the business, I was astounded to find out that the procedure is different. It looks like this. A building owner typically will determine they need a new roof. They will seek out contractors. In the olden days, that was Yellow Pages. Today, it's Google. In most cases, they will Google roofing contractor, and whoever comes up on page 1, they call them and say, give me a price. They verify that they get a warranty with the roof, and they award it to somebody. If you'll notice, there's a big difference between the first buy process and the second buy process. They don't look the same. So my question is, does it make sense to vet the work that you need as well as the contractor that does the work, so you're getting best value for best price? If any of this resonates with you and you'd like to talk about it some more, let me know. My contact information's in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at #RolfTheRoofingGuy at LinkedIn, YouTube, and Rumble. Make it a safe week.